Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel egoltech. So this is my first tech update video. So let's quickly jump into today's technology updates. Okay, our first update is in the India Mobile World Congress 2023, Jio launches the JioSpaceFiber. So this JioSpaceFiber is showcased by CEO Akash Ambani to our Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and this Indian Mobile Congress 2023 is organized at New Delhi Pragati Maidan. Okay, so what is this JioSpaceFiber? It is something like a broadband service provided for the end user customers and for the business purpose. So how it is different from the other Geo services like AirFiber or JioFiber. So JioFiber is, all you know, is like it is a broadband to home with wide fiber optic cable. And this AirFiber, it needs still the 5G and the mobile towers to be set up on the ground to receive that AirFiber. But the only difference is you don't need any cables to the home for Jio AirFiber. But this JioSpaceFiber, it is like you need no mobile towers at the ground station, and it will be very useful for the remote locations, maybe in the remote mountain areas where the mobile tower setup is very difficult. So there it can be like directly connected to satellite, and there is a very minimum infrastructure required to set up, which can directly communicate with satellite. And for this service, Jio has partnered with a company called SES, which is a Luxembourg-based company. It is the world's largest medium Earth orbit satellite technology company. This is currently available in the market. So who are the competitors? The competitors are Airtel, OneWeb, and then another competitor is Starlink, which is not from India. Elon Musk is in talk with Indian government to launch the service in India. Let's see what happens. And Airtel OneWeb also, it may be launched soon also. This is a gigabit internet service. Currently, this JioSpaceFiber technology or service is launched in 4 regions in India. One is Gir, Gujarat. Another is Korba, Chhattisgarh. Another is Nabarangpur, Odisha. Another is ONGC, Jorhat, Assam. Now, our next update is Tata acquired the Taiwan's manufacturing company Wistron Corporation to manufacture iPhones in India. So Taiwan's Wistron Corporation agrees to sell its plant in southern India to Tata, and the deal was made with $125 million. And you know, the Wistron is one of the 3 Taiwanese iPhone manufacturers in India. The other 2 are Pegatron and Foxconn. And you know, the Foxconn and Vedanta deal was cancelled, I think last July. It was cancelled, but now it's a good news that Tata has a joint venture with this company, Wistron Corporation, so that the iPhone will be manufactured in India. And it is also in the news that the hiring process in the factory in Hosur, Bengaluru is accelerated to support this manufacturing process. Now, let's come to our next update. Next update is X, which is previously known as Twitter. It launches 2 new subscription plans. One is basic plan, another is premium plus plan. So what is there in the basic plan? In basic plan, there will be no Bluetooth verification. Users will get boost to their replies, and they have the ability to edit their tweets, and they are able to tweet longer tweets like 4,000 characters, and they are able to upload longer video clips up to 20 minutes, and it will be supporting 2-factor authentication for more security. And the basic plan subscribers will be able to send encrypted direct messages, and they will be able to hide their likes and subscription numbers. But one more thing is the basic plan users continue to see the ads. Now coming to the Premium Plus plan, there will be no ads for the users, and they will be having the access to media studio and analytics service, and they will be having the verified blue tick, and there will be other features which will be remaining same as the premium plan. So now let's go to our next update. This is Google versus US government. So CEO Sundar Pichai has to testify in US Congress for the antitrust trial. So there are allegations on Google for illegally occupying the monopoly in the market for their Google search service on browsers and phones. It is alleged that the Google has paid about $18 billion it has paid to Apple in 2021 to keep the Google as the default search engine in iPhones. And what Sundar Pichai said in defense was Apple would have developed its own search engine if Google wouldn't have provided this default search to them, or I can say not sold to them. But this developing this search service by Apple in-house will be costing them billions of dollars. So there will be no wrong thing Google has done by selling the service as a default Google search engine to Apple. Okay, so now coming to the next. So Apple surprisingly announced the Scary Fast event, which will be held today. It is like 30th October 2023. It will be 5 p.m. Pacific time, and it will be 4:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. So what will be the expectations from the event? So there might be launching new iMacs and MacBook Pro, and since the name itself is a Scary Fast event, so they may launch the M3 processor. Now coming to the next update, Qualcomm has released their new chipset with improved AI capabilities and efficiency performance. So what are those? Qualcomm has released Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, and it has many new surprising features. I will make a separate video for its features. Mainly it is targeted for the mobile platforms. And Xiaomi already announced the first smartphone with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor and a new operating system also it has launched. The new operating system from Xiaomi is called HyperOS. Previously it was using the MIUI. This is a polished version of that, and this HyperOS will be having very new features. And then Qualcomm also launches one processor for PC, that is Snapdragon X Elite. It will be a rival to Apple's M series chipsets. For its feature, I will make a separate video for its features. And then our next update and the last update is from the OnePlus. So OnePlus has launched its first foldable smartphone, which goes on sale in India. So this looks from the media, what I saw is it looks nice. Let's see how people receive the smartphones. This is still a niche market, the foldable mobile phone market, and only the pro users uses the foldable phones. Let's see how it will be adopted in India and by the world. Thank you so much for watching today's tech updates, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell notification icon for our recent updates on new videos. Thank you so much.